Hey everybody, it's Mike Patton from Prosper Trading Academy. ProsperTrading.com is the website. Let's go ahead and get started. We're looking at a stock, Titan Pharmaceutical Incorporated, TTNP is the symbol. As you can clearly see, the stock is moving higher. And if you look below, you can see some purple. That basically is a tool that I developed to show me when the volume that we're seeing at the time is significantly greater than what we would typically see. And the taller these purple bars become, the more significant is the amount of volume that's there. Now, what's happening with this stock? Well, first of all, it had a sharp decline when they decided to issue new shares and they priced them lower than where the stock was. That actually depressed the stock down. That was back in September. Since then, the stock has basically been flatlining, but recently we've seen an increase in trading activity, which again was detected first when we see a little blip. It's hard to see here, but that little blip right there was the first time it was detected. And then thereafter, we started to get a feel that something was up. So as a result, we decided to get into a signal on this stock roughly right about here as it was breaking out. And then since then, we've been holding it. Now, it's currently up about 24% for the session. Now, although that is a big number percentage-wise, in price-wise, it's only up, about 10 cents. And I don't trivialize that because obviously whatever money you have in a position like that, you're up 24% on your money, so that is a good return. But of course, you have to look at the flip side too. If it went the other direction, most likely would have gone a significant distance in the other direction as well. So this is kind of like the earlier stage of what we're looking for. Okay, it's not so far in the positive direction that should be looking to take profits, but it is definitely moving in the right direction, far enough that we decided to move our stop loss up from where it was originally to basically reduce the downside risk in the event that the stock fails to keep going up. Now, why is it going up? Well, it's not actually going up for any good reason. The reality is this is the sort of stock, and I'm going to talk about this, by the way, in case anyone listening doesn't know. I have an upcoming webinar, which will be on Thursday of next week. You'll get some emails about that, etc. But in that webinar, I'll be going over how I identify stocks that are likely to go viral, meaning that stocks that explode strongly to the upside, very strongly to the upside, and usually seemingly out of nowhere. So there are certain things that I look for that help me identify stocks that are likely to do that, but it doesn't guarantee that any one of them will. I just have to keep monitoring them until they start to come alive, which is what happened here. And then once I saw that, again, based on my volume analysis, etc., that's when I decided that it was time to call out a signal and look for some more upside. So if this continues to go, we could definitely see this get well above 60 cents a share. It even could possibly go up to over $1. But at least I would say the short-term potential would be to get to 60 cents a share, which would be roughly a 100% gain on the position value. So we'll see what happens. There's no guarantees, but these are the sort of things that we're looking for. We have caught others like this before, so therefore we're hoping that this is another big win for us if it continues to move forward. So again, it's Mike Patton from Prosper Trading Academy. ProsperTrading.com is the website. Remember, trading stocks and stock options involves substantial risk. It is not suitable for all investors, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Take care.